Cicco's lab. We're going to be doing a super cool science experiment. We've been learning about the water cycle this week, so we're going to make some snow because it's a great example of precipitation. So before we get started, we're going to need to get all of our materials together. The first things we're going to need are going to be our safety tools. So first, we're going to need our lab coat, which I have right here. We're going to wear our lab coat to make sure we don't get anything on us or our clothes. The next thing we're going to need is our safety goggles. We're going to wear our safety goggles to protect our eyes from anything that could get in them. And our last safety tool is going to be our wipies. Just in case we get stuff everywhere, we're going to clean it up to make sure everything is safe. The rest of our materials are going to be a measuring cup to measure all of our ingredients. And then next, we're going to have our bowl to mix all of our ingredients into. And we're going to have two different types of mixers. We're going to have a spoon and a knife. And your hands, if you want to use your hands. And then our ingredients are going to be shaving cream and baking soda. Okay, so step number 1, we're going to measure out our baking soda. So we're going to need a half a cup of baking soda. And you can add as much as you want depending on how much snow you want to make, but we're just going to do half a cup today, so we don't need a lot. Keep pouring it in there. Alright, so we have half a cup. Now we're going to pour it into our bowl, just like that. Okay, for step number 2, we're going to get our shaving cream. So there's not a specific amount that you have to put in, you just have to squeeze it in until it starts to look like snow. But for now, we're just going to squirt one good glob in there, just like that. So now we're going to get a mixing tool. I'm going to choose the knife, and you're just going to mix it all together. So we're just going to stir it around, make sure everything gets mixed in together. So it's going to be sticky at first from the shaving cream, but after you mix it for a while, it's going to start to mix together and not be sticky anymore. And it will start to look like our snow. So once our mixture starts to get a little less sticky, you can start to put your hands in to mix it together. Okay, so this is our final product. It looks just like snow. And it's even cold like snow. And you can ball it together a little bit and make a snowball. Just like that. You can do whatever you want with your snow. So it's your snow. Alright guys, so here's our snow. It looks super great. It looks just like the stuff that comes out of the clouds, just like our precipitation. Okay, so now that we've made our snow, our final step is to clean up. This is very important. So what we're going to do is we're going to wash our hands in the sink. You're going to clean off your hands in the sink, and then you'll take off your safety goggles, and we'll wash off our safety goggles, and then we'll hang them back up. And then you'll take off your lab coat, maybe shake off anything that you have on it, and hang that back up. And then we'll get our wipies, and we'll wipe off all of our surfaces that we use. Now once we finish cleaning up, we can play with our snow! Alright guys, that's it for today in Miss Cicco's Science Lab. We'll see you next time.